Example 2, in the diagram, segment QS and segment RP pass through the center M of the circle. What can you conclude about triangle MRS and triangle MPQ? Well, in this case, if I look at these two triangles, I know that every radius of a circle is congruent, and therefore all four of these, segment RM, SM, I can't get a good mark on that, there we go, MP and MQ are all congruent because they're all, or each one represents a radius of the circle. Now, this angle PMQ right here also has to be equivalent to angle SMR right there because those angles are vertical. So let me write this down. So segment SM is congruent to segment MP is congruent to segment RM is congruent to segment MQ. And again, I have to give a reason, and that's just by definition of a radius. We know that radii are all congruent. Okay, if you would say radii are all congruent, I'd be fine with that. Now, angle SMR has to be congruent to angle PMQ, and we know that's true because those angles are vertical. So the vertical angle theorem. And since we have two sides and an included angle on this triangle, two sides and an included angle on this triangle, by side angle side, I can say that MRS triangle, sorry, not angle, is definitely congruent to triangle MPQ by side angle side. Okay, we got one example left.